you're sharing a car with Vaughn this year for FD. How did that all come about?
This year, I knew it was going to be a challenge for me. We figured out one of my favorite things in the world that I've ever done. We did an event in Ireland last year. I want to do more of them this year, but I also knew that doing that in addition to a full season of FD and all the other stuff going on in my life, I probably would have ran myself into the ground. But FD is really important to me, and I didn't want to give it up completely. And it so happened to work that Vaughn wanted to come back to FD, but because of his own obligations that he has and the own things that he wants to do with his family and his personal time, he couldn't commit to a full season. So we were able to put our heads together and figure out a way to share a car this season so I can still compete, and I'm very excited for that, and he gets to come back as well.
Nice. So technically, can you guys win a championship together?
I don't think we are in the runnings for the points championship. Maybe there's like a car championship or something, but driver-wise, like I don't think it would be possible. Even if one of us won all 4 rounds, I don't think we could win the championship.
Okay. Now you mentioned your world tour. Now last year I think you only had 1 of those. How many do you have this year?
This year we have 4. So we're going to Australia, Ireland, New Jersey, and Canada. And for me, it's just kind of a way to bring a lot of new eyes to drifting, have fun with some of my favorite drivers across the world, and you know, it's laid back. It's still competition, but it's just like everything that I love about drifting, and I get to go travel to places I want to go.
It's LZ domination right there, guys. So, Adam, I noticed that you got the 2023 team shirts. Do you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, I mean, the shirt's just based on the livery. This year, I'm running with the same partners as last year. Great companies, Nitto, BC Racing, Pennzoil, NGK, NTK, Optima, Type S, Fun Haver, of course, Ford, and it's awesome to have so many amazing companies support our program.
Absolutely. So which ones are the races that you're going to be in FD that everyone can watch you at?
I will be at Long Beach, I will be at Orlando, E-Town, and St. Louis.
You guys heard it first. Thanks so much. Keep watching.